What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we are working on Big Red and we're finally installing something that I've been waiting to install for a little while. I got a bunch of parts for her, so we're gonna have a little build series happening, but today we're gonna be installing a double din, something that is well needed with this car. I'm tired of FM, AM radio. And of course we have Mr. Alex, our wiring specialist, is always here. So let's get into it. I'll show you guys how we have to do it and I'll show you what we got. But before getting into it, it's sweater weather season. So check out the Lowpes stuff, the OG Only Lowpes sweaters. That is the OG sweaters, check it out. These are affordable sweaters on the website. They're all affordable, but these are the least expensive sweaters. And then Alex, I'll give you that. And then we got the Only Lowpes all restocked. If we're a little dirty, we were working in doing some renovation stuff. So let's get into the video. Let me show you what I got. This is the same double din that I had in the WRX before I got the CRV. So I've purchased, I'll link everything down below. The Pioneer is I purchased used, and this is the model of the Pioneer that I have right there. So you guys can check out. This is the conversion cable that we'll need to plug into the harness. And then this is the mounting kit. From my knowledge, this is everything we need. We're gonna have to take apart this unit here. Shouldn't be too bad. I have a feeling this just pops right out. It's my first time doing it, so we're gonna learn as we go, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. I'm tired of listening to the same goddamn songs on FM radio, so let's get into this. All right, so we're inside the CRV. A few steps we have to take here. Let's brighten you up a little bit. So we're gonna have to remove the ashtray, and then we're gonna have to remove the glove box here. Don't mind maybe I should blur this. There's some personal information. Don't mind the glove box. All right, so what we're gonna do is push these tabs in, and then what's gonna happen is the wheel that it's on basically comes loose, and you just gotta try to do this one hand, and there you go, and the whole thing pops right down. So what we're gonna do is remove one screw once we've dropped the glove box, two screws, so pretty much we gotta remove this whole piece. Let's see, what else you take out here, Alex? So you took out the screw right there. The one's hiding in here. Did you last time? So last time we did this in a car of this state was your green automatic EK sedan.
Yeah, so it's similar. Like we gotta take the glove box down, take the screws out there, take the screws out over here.
We got two more here, so we're just working our way across this whole thing. Alex had 3 subs in there, what, 2 10s and a 12?
Yeah.
Bro, if you sat in that back seat, it was a massage.
Yeah, that was fucked up.
We're tackling this, we're trying to figure it out.
Okay, yeah, there we go.
There you go. So that thing just pops out. You just gotta pop the clips out, and there's more screws holding underneath here. Super easy stuff, but to be honest, I thought it was a lot less screws than this, so no big deal. If we had like a drill, you know, with the bed, it'd probably come out a lot quicker, but whatever. So I removed those last screws that were on my side here. Now what you're gonna do is unplug the plugs connecting to the ashtray and the lighter here. I guess that's a light that sits within there that probably does not work. Sit this down here. Look how immaculate this car looks. Look at all that beautiful two-tone rust. Remove these 2 screws underneath here. We're gonna take the screws out. You have one on each side. It's a 8mm, or you can use a Phillips. So mine was kind of rounding, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the ratchet, take it out. Doesn't this give you a little bit of the EK vibes when we did the K-swap? Just
a little bit, yeah.
Because like the chassis was the same year and stuff. They shared a lot of like similarities, not the same parts, but similar stuff. Gives you that 90s vibe, you know? And there we go. That's a lot of screws to hold this down, isn't it? God damn. So now you're gonna have plugs at the back of the radio or the head unit. So when you take it off, pull it out slowly, don't rip it out, and then you're gonna unplug everything. And there you go. So the OEM head unit is out. So now we're gonna do one of 2 things. First, I wanna test the plug that I got to make sure it works with this. Our conversion harness works perfectly. I will take this down below. I got it off Amazon, and I'll tag the mounting unit as well. And I will tag the head unit that we're gonna be working with. I don't know why I aimed at the old one, but we'll be tagging that also. Pretty much this is everything that comes in the bag. I don't know how much we're actually gonna use. We're gonna try utilizing the OEM metal one just because this is like cheaper plastic. If we can utilize OEM parts, we might as well. But so far so good. Alex got a cut. What are we doing? We're making a Mand-Aid. That's a Mand-Aid. Electrical tape over your boo-boo. what we're doing right now is we're getting the old kind of conversion harness and we're just snipping it off, and then we're gonna tap in to this harness right here. I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as we can because the light is diminishing. All right, so what we're doing now is we're tapping the OEM harness that goes to the back of the radio to the new one that we bought, and we're just gonna tap and match every single color perfectly. So red to red, green to green, white to white, yellow to yellow. And you're just gonna tap it in, kind of screw them, kind of twist them together, and then we're gonna seal them properly so that we don't catch any fires or anything like that. So we're gonna work away at this right now, and then I'll show you the finished product. It's quite dark now, but as you can see, we have this all taped up, ready to go. And now, do you wanna test or what? Shall we test it first before we plug everything in? Ideally, this is what we should do, right? But it should power up and everything. So we're gonna plug it in just to test it out. Originally, what you'd have to do is put everything back, like all your trim pieces, and then do that afterwards. Let me get the keys. Hello, friend. All right, we're having a bit of issues and end up being the fuse under the hood.
A bit of issues? We have no issues.
Yeah, YouTube magic. We're having some issues where the fuse underneath the hood actually blew on us. So let's hope to God this actually works and it doesn't blow another fuse. And we still don't know why the fuse actually blew. It makes no sense. We did everything the car off. Yay! There you go. Thanks to God. So it is on. All we have to do now is put the bezel around. I think we have to just trim it to make it work, but it's nice to have a double in here. It's so much nicer. The bezel that it came with in that package wasn't working, but what we did is trim all, it's kind of, come on, zoom in, there you go, focus in. So we trimmed basically everything aside from 4 main clips, and hopefully this works now because this is a universal piece, so you won't need all the clips that it comes with. We just left the 4 small ones. Kind of let it focus in here. Come on, come on. There you go. The 4 small ones on each end. The bezel is on now. So we're only using 2 that are holding it in. That's the way it worked out for us. Hey, there you go. Let's not get copyrighted, but I just want to hear that. If it sounds any better. All right guys, there it is, a simple install. We had a few little issues with the fuses blowing for no reason. I don't know why it blew. The car was completely off, keys weren't even near it, and somehow we blew a fuse. Could just be shitty luck. I didn't really show because it's not a very common thing, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're on route to 30K. A lot more CRV mods coming. I don't know if you can see, oh, I just showed you something, a little JDM mod there. A lot of stuff coming. I have a bunch of parts in this garage lying around for the CRV. And if you enjoy the CRV and outdoor content that's going to be happening very shortly, comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Later. There you go. This is probably yo bro, what'd you do?
I didn't do nothing.
What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing.
Wow, this guy already breaking things.
Buddy, this is supposed to not do
wow,
damage, man.
it's an old car. Wow. Let's massage it up, massage it up, massage it up. This is not going very well.
No, it's not.
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down.